It's an exciting time for Industry X.0 in Asia-Pac, and it revolves around three main areas. The first of those is connected vehicle. Now, we all know about the pressures coming on the automotive industry as a whole through what's referred to as CASE, and we have looked at connected vehicle as a main area in which we can bring a new offer to market, and we've acquired a company called Future Move that was announced not so long ago as a main plank of that strategy. So the first of our areas is connected vehicle. The second area is what we call production and operations X.0, often called smart manufacturing around these parts, and we see significant opportunity to bring solutions to clients that bring new levels of automation, new levels of intelligence to their plants and to their factories and to their operations. And then the third area is all about software. We know the impact that software makes when it becomes a central part of the product or the service, and delivering software-powered solutions with our clients is a key part of what we can offer to the region here.